Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series on how to use Wavecell's customer portal. Today we are going to go over how to analyze your first SMS campaign. Click onto our Analytics tab, then choose the Reports function. From there, you can view the reports of the campaign you had sent out previously and filter it based on date range. The graph below will show you the number of messages delivered, undelivered, and rejected. Explore past campaigns and click on the individual campaign to view the details. You can download these details accordingly or send it to an email of your choice. Explore the Logs function, which is the detailed information of each individual message sent out. On this page, you have the option to filter by date range, phone number, sender ID, the status of the message, and more. You can then see the details of each individual log. Finally, you can select the specific logs you would like to download. Great, that's it. Now you know how to analyze your first SMS campaign. Check out Wavecell.com to get more info on Asia's leading cloud communications platform. See you soon.